Hey guys, welcome back to the Financial Experiment. As always, we're taking a weekly look at where my portfolio is at, and this week a lot happened with Tesla, Switchback Energy, and Virgin Galactic, so let's jump right in. First off, we can see that I'm actually down a little bit, about $4,000 from last week, which is fine, it goes up, it goes down, no big deal. Which, by the way, Tesla ended, let's actually do jump to over to my Phantom portfolio. Over the past week, Tesla's down almost 6% on actually some pretty decent news, some okay news. So for starters, Vanguard, which offers some ETFs and mutual funds, they bought 57.8 million shares of Tesla. That's quite a bit. According to Yahoo, this makes them the third largest holder of Tesla shares, holding about 6%. Moving on to an update from last year when Elon Musk mentioned that next year for sure, Tesla would make it to India. Well, next year is this year and it looks like it's finally happening. Details are still slim, but we can only assume that once the factory is complete, they will be manufacturing cars. Moving on to this bill, which is expected to pass, Tesla will get $7,000 tax credit on 400,000 more vehicles. Now, at first, this seems like great news for Tesla, and it is. But it's actually even better news for Tesla's competition. This is supposed to entice people to buy electric vehicles. The thing is, Tesla doesn't have an issue doing that. Tesla sells every car they make. So they don't have a demand problem, they have a manufacturing problem. So Tesla doesn't technically need these incentives, but it's still nice for the people who are buying them that they have them. Alright, now back to this. Tesla is down about 6% over the past week. But to this I say, let's take a look back 3 months ago. Holy heck, it's up 99% over the past 3 months. And yeah, it's disappointing that it's down a little bit. I'm down about $4,000. But if I went back in time 3 months ago and I told myself, Miguel, in 3 months, Tesla is going to go up 99%. I would have sold everything in my portfolio and I would have put it into Tesla. If I came from the future and guaranteed myself 99% return in 3 months, I would have done it. And imagine going back into the past and saying to your past self, yeah, I mean, it's going to be up 99% in the past 3 months, but that's actually going to be about down 6% from where it was. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm still up 99% over the past 3 months. So if you guys have Tesla out there, you're down a little bit over the past week, don't worry about it. We're still winning by a lot. Okay, now moving on to Virgin Galactic. And last week, I said, hey guys, we have this test coming up. The stock is up a lot. You never know what's going to happen. They've had delays in the past. They may have delays again. Not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying, happened in the past. It could happen again. Well, it happened. We have another delay. The next test was supposed to happen between Saturday or Sunday. And on Friday, I believe it was announced that we're having another delay. Now the stock was down about 6 to 7% the day that the delay was announced, which isn't that bad considering the day before that it was up about 15% on the announcement. So you win some, you lose some, but overall we're still winning. Alright, over the past week we're down 2.13%, but let me just take a guess and say that wow. Again, it's all about perspective. You pull out a little bit and you see that you've more than doubled your investment over the past 3 months. So no complaints on this end. I'd much rather them delay the test flight by a few more days and get it right than to go through another failure of a Tesla, because that would be really bad for the stock price. Okay, now we're down to Switchback Energy, and this made me mad. Everyone was supposed to vote by February 11th on the merger, and apparently not enough people voted, so the merger didn't go through. I went to TikTok and said, you guys gotta start voting, and apparently a lot of people who are invested through Robinhood and even other brokerages aren't getting the emails that they're supposed to go vote. So I don't know whose issue this is. I got mine through Robinhood, I got mine through Webull, and my friend recently got his, I forgot what brokerage he has, but he did recently get an email after I called him and I said, you gotta start voting. We own shares, we gotta start voting. So if you haven't voted, check your email, look for Switchback Energy, whether it's your Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, whatever brokerage you have, try to see if you can vote, because right now, we don't own anything. We own a shell of a company with no actual value until it merges. So if you own Switchback Energy, please vote yes for the merger. Over the past week, we're down 7%. Over the past month, we're down 16%. Wow. Alright, over the past 3 months, 124%. But of course, I didn't buy 3 months ago. I bought more around here. So I'm still up a little bit, but it is what it is. Vote. Moving on to PLTR. Whoa! 13%. We're down 13% over the past week. What happened? Maybe I should be buying some stocks. What about over the past month? Over the past month, okay. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. I've been so okay. Anyone who doesn't know, I've been fixing up my house. I've been in contract with the roofing company, some painters, because I'm selling my house real soon. So I've been kind of a little busy to pay attention to each individual stock I own. Aside from the loud ones like Tesla, Virgin Galactic, and Switchback Energy that are just getting so much media attention. Palantir Technologies, I don't know why it's down. Let's find out. Okay, apparently it's down because it's a victim of stock market turbulence surrounding the recent short squeezing phenomenon and efforts by regulators, stocks brokers, blah blah blah, has to combat it, okay? And yet, actual news about Palantir is quite good. Huh. Okay, so it seems like a great opportunity to buy just going off of this article. Of course, I would have to do way more research than reading actual news about Palantir is quite good today. I would have to know what this news is and more into why it's down. But yeah, looks like it may be a good buying opportunity right now, down 13%. That's not bad at all. Alright, moving on to Microsoft. My slow and steady wins the race stock is up less than 1% over the past week, but that's alright because you're not down 13% like Palantir. Let's see, over the past 3 months you're up 13%, and again, you know what, these are very decent profits. 13%, if I could manage 13% profits year over year, I would be a happy camper. Moving on to Anale, we're down 1.5%, we'll call it 1.5% over the past week. Over the past 3 months, we're up 14%. Wow, that's not bad at all, not bad at all. Of course, we're not going to be getting dividends for a while, but it is what it is, it's a REIT. CLPT, my meme stock, is up almost 10% over the past week, and let me see where we are. Whoa! 262% over the last 3 months. Whoever, if you're watching, there's this guy on TikTok who was commenting buy CLPT on every TikTok video I made until I finally broke down and I bought it. Hey, props to you, man. You were right. You're absolutely right. I should have been buying CLPT a long time ago. Okay, my ARK-G ETF is up 1.5%. And let's see what it's doing over the past 3 months. Over the past 3 months, 51%. That's very, very good. I'm always surprised when I see, you look at the 3 month and it's something stupid like 51%. What a crazy bull market we're in. MFA Financial, we're down just 1% over the past week, but let's see what it's been doing over the past 3 months. 3 months, 21% profit, that's not bad at all. Alright, last but certainly not least, Apple down about 0.5% over the last week. However, again, all about perspective. Let's pull out just 3 months. We're still up 13.41%. Over the past year, up 67%. That's crazy. Over the last 5 years, 481. That's almost 100% profit per year. That's crazy with Apple. Who would have thunk it? Well guys, there you have it. I'm down about $4,000 over the past week, but that worries me not because I see many positive catalysts coming up for Tesla, Virgin Galactic, and Switchback Energy. If we can just get that vote through, come on guys, don't forget to vote. Anyways, if you like this video or got any useful information from it, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more content like this, take a moment and think to yourself, do I want to know if this guy will make it to $200,000 before 2021 like he says he will? And if you want to see if I pull it off, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.